Welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is listening to a tape with Marcia, and this is what he has to say about that situation. He's saying a whole lot of stuff, so you guys have to go over, catch the video for yourself, listen, and see where he's going with this. So, guys, without further ado, go into the video, go watch the video. Okay. And for my lovelies out there today that are celebrating their wonderful birthdays, I just want to wish you love, joy, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies out there and my supporters, I just want to say have a wonderful day. Keep a beautiful smile on your face as always. And if you can make somebody else laugh, wow, that's a bonus as well. So thank you guys for tuning in and have yourselves a beautiful day.
Them fathers used to beat their mother. Used to beat their mother. I don't know. It's sad. This is sad. This is very sad. For a man to say he would have put in his mask and box there. And bear in mind, I'm not gonna tell you, like I hear you people supporting other men who openly threatens women out here, just openly threaten them. And on the face says, okay, no. I don't know what day and age una living. I don't know who told you people this was acceptable for a man to be the woman or whatever. But that I was not brought up like that. I was not. And it's sad. It is sad. It's really sad. But who am I? Bear in mind, me not have sense. Me not have no sense. I'm an idiot. So who am I to try and counsel anybody? Who am I to put out my, my thoughts? Like, my thoughts shouldn't matter. But una should know wrong from right. I'm sure that una know it is wrong for a man to come out here and openly threaten a woman. Bear in mind, not for we as men, not for us men, we wouldn't be here if it wasn't for one of your species. So in my opinion, me not gonna tell a lie. As much as you hear me, I go at odds with Donna or whatever, right? I'm telling you, there's some things I would do and there's things I wouldn't do, right? Trust me, I know my boundaries, things I wouldn't do, and thresholds I would not cross, right? I don't know. It's sad. This is sad. It's very sad. Way too sad.
And Dwayne for me. This is what you cost. Because you don't have no God in you. You use God, but you can't use God. You use God to get to your riches. But let me tell you something. What goes up must come down. So just be what.
CK, before we get my speech misconstrued, I'm not saying this is Donaghar's fault. I am not. However, the fact that this is a Donegal fan, right? If Marcia Campbell was not at odds with Donegal, he would have had no need to pull up on her, right? It's actual, just like, it's not rocket science. It's wrong. It's wrong. And the fact this man used Donegal's name that boldly, what if this man was of unsound mind? For all we know, he could have killed her right this so. He could have dead her off right this so. On a look on the bigger picture, no? On a look on the bigger picture. On say that a name, I'll now look on the bigger picture. And that's sad.
Remind you before I left, you're coming to a country where you can't do it at Jamaica. Because we there wait for you and your people them to carry them to the So let me tell you something. I'm not Jamaica this. Because if he did stay in their house and keep himself quiet, he wouldn't have been named in the New York City Police Department, because we know who him is now. Me get all the information. Me know him birthday, me know him name, me know him address, me know him license plate, me know everything. Because him is a street man, he run taxi in Brooklyn, dollar van. We know him wife, we know which part he come from, at Jamaica. You understand? It's so, him not get through with it. And he come on social media and threaten me. So since I saw my enemy out there, me have to protect myself. See the report right here, for harassment. He left him yard and see me on my life doing my shopping. And come at the place for shopping because he live in Brooklyn. Pull up on me suddenly. When me look over, what you think about Dana coming to America? Where you come and pull up on me for? Eh? Where you come and pull up on me for? Where you left your yard, come on my place and harass me for? That and remember see somebody we are talking about me every day on social media. Where you pull up for? Eh? If I can sue you for slandering, you look like say me have to go get one liar and carry down court go sue you for slandering. You see me around the street and sell crutch. You see me around the street is selling. You see me there street selling crutch. And a merchandise we go buy. See my proof here and video camera. And merchandise we go buy. See my receipt here. Me file these receipts every year. Me have a legal business. I have a registered business with IRS. Cheap and clean ever blessed boutique. Me have a legal business. Me not run a fraud around here. You understand? See my 2 receipts here for my merchandise. And you come on social media broad. Come tell the people them say me around there sell pussy. Yes. Me down back road I sell crutch. A big woman like me, a big decent woman like me, who dey on social media motivating, inspiring people. And you come as a man, we have wife and children. And come by your video on big platform. Well, small platform, because you know nobody. And me make it, you only had 5,000 people. And from me give you the acknowledgement, you start go. And you come out and tell the people and say, me there on a back road, I sell pussy. Me round there sell pussy. And member say, I'm a merchandise. See me receipt them here. Because me file for them a year time. See me receipt them here when me get when you go buy something much boxes. See there. See there? Me 2 receipts. Say me round there, you come on social media as a man and you have a wife and a daughter. And come tell them say me I sell pussy round the back road. Round a Linden Boulevard. You see me round there sell pussy. Eh? What kind of disrespect? I don't know the boy. I don't know him. I never see him in my life until when I saw him come and harass me. Pull up on me. What you think about Dana coming to America? What you can do now? Sit like us up. Everything is on live. He did not know. He didn't know I was on live. I had the camera right in front of me. And he pull up on me sudden. He pull up on me so close that me could have stretched me hand in a field vehicle. And he blocked me in. And stop and a video me. What you think of Dana coming to America? How you do whatever it is? I tell him to kiss my ass 3 times. When we ready to take up my phone to pan him. Him speed off so fast. Him start get out of control like this because he have the phone in it and because him don't want me catch him. Him have a hoodie over him head, you know. But him face show. But him never know say who know I hear everything. Because you know say Marcia always the alive, you know. So him never know. So him thought that he thought that I wasn't alive.
Me a school him with the more with them put over with Curly.
And he take the phone to put on him. Him speed off fast and nearly get out of control. The vehicles are shit so. Why me I tell you say I'm coming from church? I say what me say already about that already. How is it? Him left him yard and he make a videotape saying that yard and see me live and know which part me there and come there. And then he tell one the story and say him have drive past and see me. Guess what I'm talking about? And
me a school him with the more with them over the Curly.
He come on social media and all of this is to get likes and share to make money on YouTube. all of this is to just get popularity on social media. A lot of you might get popular on social media, but the thing about between you and I, and all I wanna carry no substance and no value. That is the difference between me and Uno. Uno might be popular and have a lot of followers.
But tomorrow, I'm going to meet her article. Oh, well, I actually used to try to drag me things. Try to drag me
for them time you out.
I will get that for you now, girl.
Oh, them so bright. The thing about between you and I, Uno, the bloggers them, we have lots of fun.
Here we are. Boy, that girl.
No substance, no value, no grace.
Go in there, girl.
Uno have God convenient. Convenient God, Uno have. Me have God all the time. In my good days and in my bad days. I praise him and I thank him when me not depend nothing and when me have something. So in that way, people can't come and say, Marcia, you only give God the glory when things is going for you. I give him praise in my good days and my bad days. And that is the reason why, oh, she dressed so pretty, they're going out. That is one of the reasons why I continue to strive. This is one of the reasons why that him shine him light on me every day. That make me look so rich, even though I don't have much. And the people who claim that they have something, they
shine bright like a diamond.
Who don't have no substance, no value. Who don't have no grace over you, and no love.
No poise.
Most of all.
No Shekinah glory.
Jesus. Nowhere with them.
No Shekinah glory.
The only time I carry Jesus is when the daughter giving her bad news, when no can't pay on the bills, when no man left for no, and no did he cry. But no, not me. I reach out to him every day. Without him, I don't know how to make it so far. I don't know how I would make it. I give with so much, and the more I give, and the more me accumulated. The more I feel like nothing is going good for me, and the more
You know, Dawn, I don't get it. You said that's why you think they don't like you. They are obsessed over D. Come, expand, Afghanistan. And honestly, I say.
What I mean? That is the thing. When I don't have that.
Are you talking about Curly?
I don't know. There is somebody saying moderator is timing them time on the out. I don't know. Maybe it's YouTube doing it. I don't know. What the moderator name? People are texting me and telling me that I get time out.
I hear Curly saying I'm people, and it was me that damn bitch, honey, was putting on time on. This girl's crazy. Imagine big infants like me. This girl can put them on time out. Curly, you give me too much power. Hey, that girl should be lucky I'm changing the car. Class work on class. If I knew what you look, I would have come on class, yo. Because me class is not gonna make my life no better for West. You're not getting a class, girl. Move. You're just a follower. You're a follower who thinks you're powerful. You're a non-entity. I don't have to come on Curly's live stream. We have 3 page. 3. And 1 over YouTube. I can turn any one of them, and trust me, 2 of them, are 3 of them from Facebook. All of them are. I can get move, girl. Yeah, idiot, yeah, clown. The damn mascot. 991 always cry wolf. Right? And put another damn crocodile tears. She must stop. And I don't care what none of you say. Listen, I'm telling you, this is going a little bit too far. And you know when people gonna stop is when somebody actually kill off somebody in a dan and then they're gonna stop. By then it's probably gonna be too late for Uno. Cause now we're gonna spend 7 days at prison. I'm not fool. I'm not idiot. Pastor Dwayne. Please can you buy me some takeaway? Girl, I could do some takeaway. You can't give my money, girl. My bro can't get on paparazzi. I'm telling you the truth. My bro can't get on paparazzi. Give me some money. Send me like a dividends. Don't let her stop you from going on Kylie's page. No, I know. It's not about stopping. I don't like confrontation, and I don't listen. You see, the only confrontation I like is ones I want to take on myself. But when it comes to a follower, good after that one. You know, the stop starts with the follower and following. Right? Them too wicked, and they are too invested in this person's life. And three quarter them never are gonna meet the damn woman. Them not gonna meet her at the end of them life. Some of them don't have a damn passport. Imagine. It's bullshit. Right, that's Recording Paparazzi. I'm looking at myself. Hey, why don't you give me 500 star? So somebody give me a 500 star, man. I wanna come, man. Remember, come on. So on the don't act right, man. I'm come out here every day. Every day I come out here. I wanna car. Me damn like the car. Give me one 10,000 star. But then again, 10,000 it's a stretch. On the car, give me 5,000 star. You know what I'm saying? And this when start come like on physical on my cost for the money too much, on my cost for the people the money too much. And I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like cost for the money. I don't feel just eat freely. I'm gonna have to say ABRC. What I'm told I'm come out there, I'm come keep on the company and something there. I said to a lot of other people, and you know me realize because I'm in a class for the people now and comfort. On a ass lucky. On a lucky. I look up yeah, friggin' my damn spirit. My damn spirit. I don't like my spirit being provoked. Do not provoke me to wrath. You deserve. I know I do, girl. I know me deserve it, but I'm not act right. Them, hey, you know what I say? Mixup people are the meanest people them ever. They're just mean. They're mean plus tax. What I mean bad. But then I'm not cuss over the money. I'm not cuss over the money. Now go up in the box. You know what I say? Even on my birthday, there was one person they expect, or two people they expect, forgive me, a birthday gift, right? But one said they don't celebrate birthdays because of Miss Jehovah's Witness. That one, I can respect that one. I respect that one. Because that one told me, Dwayne, I don't celebrate birthday. I'm Jehovah's Witness. I'm like, okay, so okay, cool. But it's one of them, that was been avoiding. But you see me? I will never beg like that. You have too much shame. I have way too much shame to grovel like a fucking dog. You crazy? I'm mad. The way the banks out here are thief people money. Wait, are you in Jamaica? Are you in Jamaica? Oh, like you're not Jamaica? Which place there? Which country? Are you in Jamaica? Lawrence, are you in Jamaica? Well, let me see which country, because I have to see, because I see the banks of out here. I'm thinking you're talking damn Jamaica. Which other country you're talking about? I can't. How are this here? I don't want you. Oh, you're not Jamaica? You're funny as shit. To the banks out there, thief money, I put the money in there. But then again, I don't blame you. That's the old-fashioned way for saving money for true. The old-fashioned way. Nothing beats the old-fashioned way too. And unless somebody broke in the house and rob you. Oh Lord, give me strength. I cannot be bothered.